Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Bright Black Bulb. Today's video is all about do you need an upload schedule. In this video we will be talking about is it necessary to have an upload schedule to grow faster on YouTube and how often do you need to upload videos. By watching this video you will for sure get more views and draw more attention to your YouTube channel and generally grow your channel much faster and easier. Bulb has done an entire playlist that contains lots of videos that are super helpful if you are a new YouTuber. Make sure to watch them because I shared many tips that will help you grow your channel faster and easier. The link to the playlist is going to be in the description. This channel is all about YouTube growth and YouTube tips. If that is something that interests you, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification on so you don't miss anything, as I will be uploading more videos. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into today's video. Do you need an upload schedule? Is it going to help you grow on YouTube faster? Is it going to make you successful faster? What happens if you don't have an upload schedule? Is the YouTube algorithm going to hate you? And how often should you upload to YouTube so that you have more chance of success? Stay tuned and watch the whole video because Bulb is going to answer all those questions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your YouTuber friends so that our family can grow bigger and that they can use this information. Reason number one that you don't need an upload schedule is because subscription boxes are like recorders. Let me explain what I mean. So a lot of people who argue and say that you need an upload schedule because it allows your subscribers to know what days and what times are you going to upload. However, I am personally subscribed to over 100 channels on YouTube and I can't even tell you what are those channels' upload schedules. Another point is that I'm not always available to watch the videos the second they get uploaded. And for me personally, it does not matter what days and times they upload. I get to check my subscription box when I have free time to watch some YouTube videos. So in my case, it does not matter when the video comes out because I watch it when I have free time. I personally record two of my favorite TV shows that are in the same time and in the same night. That is because I can only watch one show at one time. So what I do is that I record both of them and then watch them when I have free time. It is the same on YouTube. If there are 5 different YouTubers that release their video at the same time, I can only watch one of them and the rest remains when I have free time. It is the same with your subscribers as well. Usually they don't care about the time that you upload, it is just the video that is important. Because let's say that if you upload in the morning or afternoon, your subscribers will watch your video when they are free. No one is going to pull out their phone or computer and watch your video in middle of their work. So that was the first reason that I believe upload schedule does not matter on YouTube. Bulb has done a video on how to get more subscribers and he provides many proven tips on how to get more subscribers. Be sure to check that video out. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Reason number 2 is that upload schedules are designed for immediate views. When an average video is uploaded to YouTube, it does not get most of its views within minutes that the video is uploaded and not even in the first day that it is uploaded. If you look at growth of the views of any of your own videos, you will see that the curve is an upright curve, which means that they get a certain amount of views on the first day, but then they will get more views in the next days, weeks and even months. Because even if people don't watch your videos the same minute it is uploaded, it may get ranked in search, appear on people's recommended page, get suggested on YouTube, and it will be in people's subscription boxes, and it is going to get more views in days, weeks and months after it is uploaded. So if you're worried that you wanted to upload your video on Monday but you haven't uploaded, or you're stressing out that instead of 4 p.m. you're uploading your video on 6 p.m, don't worry, because I said most of those views are not going to come in the second that you upload your video, but they will come in the upcoming days, weeks and months. Bulb has done a video on how to get YouTube to suggest your videos to people more often so you can get more exposure, which results in more views and subscribers. Be sure to watch that super useful video. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Reason number 3 is stress. Another reason that I think upload schedules are totally unnecessary is because of the stress that they cause. Many people choose to do YouTube because they don't want to have a 9-to-5 job and have a boss that is going to tell them what to do and what not to do. YouTubers usually like to do whatever they want and however they want to do it, and I think it is the same case for you watching this video. Don't get me wrong, having an upload schedule is a great way to plan your week, but at one point it's going to get very structured that you're filming for YouTube and uploading a video is going to be another thing on your to-do list, and that is not going to be fun. In my opinion, it is better to wake up in the morning and feel motivated to film a video and do everything with passion versus when I wake up I have to think that I need to upload a video. It is a must and I am forced to. I don't enjoy that feeling and I will get demotivated very soon. So in my opinion, it is way better to upload a video when you feel about it and you are motivated to do it. Reason number 4 is about the YouTube consistency myth. Now, while I and many other YouTube growth channels have said in the past that consistency is one of the best tools that you can use to make your channel grow, your channel will not die the second you stop being consistent. Consistency on your channel does not depend on what day or time you upload your videos. Though it has been said by many people out there, I can tell you for a fact that your channel will not fall off the algorithm by not uploading on the same day and time as usual. As I said before, YouTube pushes out videos that tells the algorithm that people are enjoying this video, so more people should see it. Videos that get engagement, retention and have good amount of audience satisfaction will get boosted by the YouTube algorithm. And as you can see, that does not matter to what time you upload your video. Let's say if you upload at the same day and same time of the week, but your videos don't get engagement and retention, it is still going to tell YouTube that your video is not a good video. Whereas if you upload on Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and each one of those videos have very good retention and very good engagement, all those videos are going to tell YouTube that people are enjoying this video, so they will suggest it more to people. Or even though YouTube recommends uploading videos once a week to keep your audience engaged and active on your channel, it does not actually matter what day and what time you upload that video, as long as you're active on your channel. The key here is not to take 6-month breaks, because that way YouTube is going to notice your inactivity and will start to push your channel off the algorithm. But your channel is not going to fall off the algorithm because you took a break for a week, so don't stress about it. PapaBulb has done several videos that tell you how does the YouTube algorithm work and how you can use it to get more views. Be sure to check this video out because it is super helpful. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Now it's time for the second part of the video where I answer the question of how often should you upload to YouTube if you want to grow. So there have been all these theories out there where people say that if you upload every day, your channel is going to grow a lot faster, you will get more views and more subscribers. Before we start, I have to tell you that PapaBulb did a video on how often you should upload videos to YouTube and he got shocking results that no one expects. Be sure to check that video out. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Now, let me tell you that I personally don't think that if you upload more videos to YouTube, you are going to grow faster. Because if you upload every single day for a month, let's say, at one point, your videos will not be as exciting because you did not have enough time to make good content, which makes people to actually enjoy your content less and not wanting to see it. Whereas if you upload once a week, but that one video that you upload is engaging and has amazing, strong, high quality content, your audience will like that video more and want to watch it more. And YouTube will push it out more because it has more engagement. And let me tell you something, there is no such thing as an ideal upload schedule that you should post once a week or 3 times a week. There is no definitive answer for a perfect upload schedule on YouTube because it depends on a lot of factors. For example, if you're a full-time YouTuber, you will have more time on your hand to film, create and edit videos. Whereas if you're a student, you have a full-time job, you cannot have the same amount of time as a full-time YouTuber. Another factor is the time of the year. For example, if you're filming on Christmas time, where everyone is doing daily vlogs, then people are a lot more active on the YouTube platform. Like when in summer, there are more people on YouTube because there's no school, versus throughout the year where people are in school and they have work to do. They may not watch your videos that much. There are many other factors to consider and many reasons why there's no perfect answer to definitive upload schedule. You need to find a unique upload schedule that fits into your own lifestyle. Once you find out that what upload schedule fits you, then you can get your audience used to that upload schedule. Once you have a routine figured out for yourself and your audience gets used to that routine, it does not matter what everybody else is doing because it is working for you and your audience. So as far as how often you should upload to YouTube, I would say it comes down on how much you can handle and how much videos you can upload while maintaining the quality of your content. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share this video with any other people you know that might help them. My goal is to help every small YouTuber out there. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you think about this video. Finally, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get notified every single time I upload videos like this. Until next time, peace.